The procurement strategy is a way to reduce cost through an open bid system. Did you know product distribution starts from the producer to the distributor, to the wholesaler, then to the retailer, and finally to the end user or consumer? But sometimes it takes a little bit longer than that. It goes through more than one retailer until it reaches the consumer. And the longer the distribution chain, the higher the cost. Cost is added with every stage of distribution, ending up in significantly higher price for the consumer. So one of the keys to procurement cost reduction is to cut off distribution stages. Rather from producer to distributor, then to wholesaler and ending to the user or consumer, it could just be shorter from the producer directly to the user or consumer. Shorter means faster and cheaper. But how do we cut the distribution stage? By introducing an open bid system. What is an open bid system? It's an event where suppliers offer products with clear target prices. For an example, here we have an event offering 3 items. The gloves begin at 3,000 rupees. And with various offers, bidders with the lowest price will win. But conventional open bids can sometimes generate single price suppliers. For an example, people in the field will offer higher prices for the 3,000 rupiah gloves. Cost reduction will be failed. That's why we improved the conventional open bid into an online open bid system. The tendering process will be done systematically, starting with registering, appointing a tender, classifying, up to the announcement. Here are the registering steps for vendors or suppliers. Vendors or suppliers sign in to the application, then after the data verification, the vendor or supplier can participate in the procurement process. The product or service procurement process begins. Verified vendors or suppliers could see the procurement list, which can be monitored through the application. Vendors and suppliers can then submit offers through the application. The admin receives a notification for new offerings. The admin then evaluates the offer. The system then recommends the winner. The winner is then picked manually by the procurement team. The selected vendor then receives a notification. Online bid system. First of all, we need a product. Then we provide a concise bidding information through an online open bid system along with our target price so that all suppliers get the same opportunity in the auction. Everyone in the distribution chain can participate in the bidding, providing a fair competition while reducing distribution cost. Basically, whoever wins this open bid, Enkei Indonesia is the winner. When we cut off the distribution chain, we cut everything from the distribution cost, factory supply cost, maintenance cost, all the way to the sales administration cost. At the end, we are the champions.